Okay, so a couple of things that I really believe today, truly believe, and I want to share with you is that, I always get jealous by these guys, who have these bro, feelings, and they're like, always been honest and, always ready to help each other. So why can't we as, females have female tribe and try and encourage each other rather than being just jealous and, back bitching? So I think that's a very important thing we must reflect on. And also, I feel that it is very important that we appreciate anyone who has the courage to do anything out of the box, or just speak out their mind, and not just someone who's just on the regular lines and just locking up yourself in a room or in a home, saying that okay, I don't want like any new experiences now because I'm fed up of cheats and bad experiences. So that will not lead us anywhere. We will have to be courageous to step out and the world out there, experience what is good, what is bad, filter that for ourselves. And recently, one of my acquaintance, had like something mean to say about females, that, something like, okay, they are more into sleeping or salon and everything. So, I mean, I didn't even feel that it was important for me to just go back and, snap at him that, listen, hey, do you even know what are the struggles, like as a mother, as a person who supervises a complete home and who has, to arrange for funds and everything, what is the struggle? Do you even know? So I didn't have the stamina to snap back, and like simply just thought that I will shut, I will not discuss it further, not answer him. So I'm sure the females can relate to it, that what is it that we have to go through as mothers, as homemakers, as people who are trying to do something different, and we must appreciate each other rather than just back bitching and everything. That's truly what I believe in. Yeah.